Welcome to another Photoshop video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use remove tool in new Photoshop. So first, go to the workspace at the top right side of Photoshop. From here, click on Essential. Now go to the toolbar on the left side of Photoshop. You can see the remove tool. Click on remove tool. Now brush over the object you want to remove. Wait a while. The object has been removed. Remove the remaining parts in the same way. You can see that all unnecessary objects have been removed. Thanks for watching the video.